I've had a FrogNet running at the house here for around 10 years now in one form or another. And the the network here that's running my FrogNets, it's running all my smart lights and all my home automation stuff because those devices are the ones that are inherently insecure. And I did not want them to be on the same network where I had my checkbook, right? So FrogNet gave me that separation, that security. But on that network, I needed to be able to reach the internet, and that that's a kind of a critical component, right? If you stand up a network somewhere, it's great as long as you're there. But if you've got an internet uplink, it'd be really nice to share that with everybody on the network, give them that capability. So so we did that, and along the way, the implementation of that gave us a way that we can kind of layer the FrogNet underneath your existing network, or it's not really underneath it. It's what happens is you take your FrogNet host and you make that the thing that is connected to your uplink, right? Your DSL modem or whatever your uplink is, and then you use that. You have your local machines connect to the FrogNet. Okay, so where you used to connect to the router that AT&T gave you, now you're having your FrogNet connect to the router that AT&T gave you, and all of your devices are connecting to the FrogNet. What this does is put the FrogNet's 10 dot network in front of the greater internet network, and it puts the FrogNet's uh, routing and handling capabilities in front of it, so that you can do FrogNet things within the FrogNet network and still have complete access to the existing internet and be able to do all the things you want to do there. So that actually turned out to be really pretty powerful, because what it means is that uh, in a corporate environment or in an environment where you have an existing network, even if there's like an existing 10 dot network in there, that's fine. uh, all you do is stick a frognet in above that, in between it and the internet, and let let the frognet host handle the DHCP for that network, right? And set the IP of the frognet host to some well-known address, and you're off to the races. That's it. You didn't have to do anything else. And by doing that, the cool thing is that by doing that, you automatically gain uh, the advantage of uh, the semantic compression engine and the the same diff protocol on anything that you send through your 10 dot network. So we learn all the stuff that you're sending amongst yourselves, and we optimize that while we leave you able to do whatever you need to do on the greater internet, and it just works. And that's the really cool part, is that you plug it in, turn it on, and and it works. You can set up the internet tunnel and have them connect through the tunnel, and now you've got potentially a topology you never had before, with a direct memory to memory connection between two distant networks, and that gives the immediate payoff is that you gain like the twice performance, the 2x performance that we got with just going from Apache to semantic compression. The biggest payoff would be if you rewrote uh, all or some of your applications to be unrest and FrogNet memory compliant, and then you can get orders of magnitude. It's awesome. Uh, so I just wanted you to think about that. If you've got an existing network, even if it's a CorpNet, big goal CorpNet, There's not a problem sticking a FrogNet in front of it and gaining the things that FrogNet can give you without even having to go all the way and doing your own code. So uh, that's I thought that was important enough to mention. So there you go. All right, have fun. Bye.